Hi guys, welcome back to the Essex Fashion House channel. Today I'm going to do a little video on this gorgeous bag. So this is the Coach Dalton 31 in a special edition, I guess you could say. This one has suede on the sides and snakeskin. So I thought this was really cool and I just wanted to do a video to show you all the details up close as usual, and of course do a few mod shots for you. And I hope you'll like this video. Here it is up close. So get it a little bit further away just so you can see the colors, right? I feel like when I get close, it does tend to fade out the black a little bit with all this light, but I think it's all right. So first of all, the Dalton actually, to me, looks a lot like the Edie. It pretty much has the same shape. I'd say the main difference is the way the handles are attached. So on the Dalton, you have these metal parts here, and then you've got the little links that look like this, whereas on the Edie, it's more of a, I guess you could say, a normal link there in between that has a little leather patch thing that it's attached to. But other than that, the compartments inside are actually identical. The shape of the bag, they even come in the same sizes, I'm pretty sure. So this is the Dalton 31. The Edie 31 I think is probably the most common Edie. That was actually my first Coach bag ever, and I still have it, love it dearly. This one is really cool because it is the snakeskin version. So this bag retails for about 500 pounds at the Coach store, and this one is black smooth leather with ox blood, or I guess I don't know if you call it ox blood or if you call it burgundy, but burgundy suede on the sides, and then it has two colors of snakeskin. The snakeskin is genuine snakeskin. That is also what adds to the price of the bag because it's a bit more pricey than the normal ones. I think the normal Dalton 31 is about 350 pounds, I'm not quite sure, but this one's a bit more expensive than that. And I think it looks great with the snakeskin here on the, or around the zipper, it goes all the way across there. And then up here you have the other color snakeskin, which is actually like a pink almost. Although, I'm not sure if you would call it pink. I think this looks kind of pink, but it also just kind of matches the ox blood. And the only reason that I do go with pink is because the little hang tag here, or this little extra charm with the C, which is really cute, definitely has pink snakeskin on the strap there. I guess maybe you could say it has three different colors of snakeskin. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a pink because it's very dark. It could just be a dark pink, or if it's supposed to be more of an ox blood colored snakeskin. I'm not sure. But it has different color snakeskin, and I think it looks great. I think it's just subtle enough, yet stands out enough to make it look really special and really cool. And I like how, you know, when you do that little subtle details of snakeskin, it just looks so elegant, which I think this is another example of. So this is a Coach New York bag. It has the normal Coach hang tag in pebble leather, and then this little C charm, which comes on quite a few of the models now. I like this quite a lot. I think it's a cute little subtle charm as well, but it just adds that little bit of something extra, and then especially because it has the snakeskin strap, which I think is a great detail. At the top, it has a magnet snap lock, which keeps these two outer pockets closed, and I like that too. I like that it has these open pockets because it's so easy to get into it. Like, everything seems safe and secure because it's closed up here and these edges are folded in, so nothing's gonna fall out of your bag or anything. And because it's quite deep as well, but it's just so nice to have like stuff that you need to get to fast or that you know you'll be using a lot and you need to be able to find it easily. You can have that in these outer pockets, and then in these outer pockets you have over here a flat pocket where you could fit like your phone in there or something. Over here you've got the zipped pocket for any little things you want to keep in there. Over here you can also see the creed patch, and as you can see, this bag is from 2019. It is like pretty much brand new. Has a little mark there on the creed patch, not quite sure what that's from, but the creed patch is also ox blood leather, and so are the little zipper pull tabs on the inner zipper there. The hardware is black copper, I think, or again, gunmetal, I'm not sure. I just never determine whether it's black copper or dark gunmetal, but it's dark hardware for sure. And these are kind of like the ones you see on the Coach 1941 stuff as well, except these of course say Coach New York on them. And let's open this bag up and I'll just show you the inside of this pocket. It's not much to see, but I'll just show you anyways. So I've got a bunch of stuffing in here. All right, so that is the inner pocket, which is quite spacious. At first, when I first got my Edie, I thought, I'm not sure if I can fit that much stuff in here, or it seems to be kind of weirdly compartmentalized. But I actually love it because this is just big and bulky enough that you can fit big and bulky things in there. And then for your smaller and more flat items, I guess, you put them in these outer pockets, and it just works perfectly for me. And I think the simplicity of it is actually one of the best things about it. One thing I really love as well is that you have the Uggs blood or burgundy colored lining, and then you still have the black leather trim up here, which I just think looks so nice. Got Coach on the hardware everywhere. And here's the bottom of the bag. So also black leather on the bottom. You've got the little metal feet, which I always love. It's just such a simple thing to do to a bag to make it look nicer for longer, as the feet will take most of the wear from putting it down and picking it up or sliding it across the floor or whatever you're doing. It really just makes a big difference, and it's just nice to know that there's been a little bit extra attention paid to the details. So that is the whole bag, the Dalton 31 with snakeskin details. Retails at £500, or I think it's $4.95 actually. And this was kind of a quick little walkthrough of the bag. It's a very simple bag, but it just comes to show that like it's simple, but it's practical and beautiful all the same. And I just have nothing negative to say about this bag. It also has a really nice length of straps that just carry so comfortably on your shoulder, but also you can carry it in the nook of your arm without it, and it'll still be the perfect length for that. So let me just show you a few mod shots of what it looks like on a person, and that'll be it, you guys. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you want this bag to be yours, it is for sale in my shop, so I'll leave a link to this specific bag in the description so you can find it easily. Again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.